I am Nilooma Mohamed and my colleague Mohamed. Today we are going to present a study we both conducted in the last September. The study was aimed on analyzing amount of sugar in soft drinks sold in the market of Halif, Ihavandu. We both are students of Master of Public Health program conducted by Faculty of Health Science at the Maldives National University. Also, we both are working in the health sector of the Maldives. So at first, a soft drink usually consists of carbonated water, although some vitamin waters or lemonade are not carbonated. A sweeter, a natural or artificial flavoring. The sweetener may be sugar, high fructose, corn syrup, fruit juice, a sugar substitute. In the case of diet drinks or some combination of these drinks. According to the American Heart Association, maximum daily intake of sugar for men is 36 grams and for women is 20 grams. And this indicates soft drink contains added sugar. Sugar, one of the major content of a soft drink is carrot, and as much as it plays vital roles in food technology and medicine. It is also toxic to the body when it is above normal levels in human blood. 4.5 to 5.5 grams. High blood sugar level has been found to promote heart failure and stroke. High sugar levels can poison the body and destroy the organs unless kept in check by an agent called insulin. Health problems caused by high sugar intake include diabetes, hypoglycemia, dental caries, and obesity. Since some of you may not know the setting of the study, here is a chart of Maldives. The red dot on top north of the archipelago shows the location of Ihavandu, where we have conducted the study. Like typical Maldivian islands, the island of Ihavandu is about 65 hectares with a population of 3,450 people. Aim of the study was to evaluate the amount of added sugar in soft drinks in the market of Halif Ihavandu by using food labels. Since no available studies found which have conducted in the Maldives on the top, several studies conducted in other countries were revised. According to the layman, all types and forms of sugar is equal. The natural occurred form of sugar in fruit provides valuable carbohydrates, while added sugar, Edamame drinks are suspected to play a role in causing disease. A study conducted by Department of Health of Australia has found that a soft drink contains more sugar compared to other types of drinks, such as energy drinks and sports drinks. Also, according to the Australian dietary guideline, a soft drink contains amount of sugar in excess of dietary needs. strong evidence that more intake of sugary drinks such as energy drinks and soft drinks are associated with increased adiposity in children and in adults. Consumption of sugar-sweetened drinks is associated with increased body weight and it leads to obesity. According to diaries, people who regularly consume soft drinks have a higher risk of an early death due to many chronic diseases associated with sugar. A survey conducted in 10 European countries among 451,743 people conclude that greater consumption total sugar sweetened and artificially sweetened soft drinks was associated with a high risk of all-cause mortality. A study published in 2019 also reported that daily 12-ounce serving of sugar sweetened beverage raised the risk of death by 7%, including a 5% increased risk for cancer death and a 10% increased risk for death from cardiovascular disease. Methodology and setting of this study. A market survey was conducted using convenient sampling in September 2020 in 12 major shops of Harlip, Ihavathu. The amount of sugar in soft drink containers were recorded by looking food label. For the statistical analysis, we have used Microsoft Excel since the soft drink contains and the recorded data was entered to the Microsoft Excel. Since the soft drink containers varies in size, sugar level was calculated by 1000 ml. Average was calculated and standard deviation was also calculated. 82% of products examined exceeds recommended daily sugar intake. Highest amount of sugar among 23 items were Pepsi, 170 gram of sugar per container. Highest amount of sugar per 100 ml is of yogurt drink, that is specifically orange, 13.5 gram per 100 ml. The sugar content of soft drink ranges from 0 to 70 grams. This graph shows the sugar content of soft drinks. The blue line shows the amount of sugar in whole container and the orange line shows the amount of sugar per 100 ml of the content. According to the American Heart Association, maximum daily intake of sugar for men is 36 grams and for women is 20 grams. However, the average amount of added sugar on serving of soft drink in the market is 29.13 grams, which is higher than the recommended daily sugar intake. Also, furthermore, more than 82% of the products studied exceeds the daily recommended sugar intake. Conclusion. The average amount of added sugar in one serving of soft drinks in the market is 29.13 grams, which is higher than the recommended daily sugar intake, and 82% of examined products exceed recommended daily sugar intake. Therefore, it can conclude that the majority of soft drinks that are available at the markets of Ihavathu are unhealthy. Since studies are lack in the topic, more studies are recommended to conduct in the Maldives. The study only analyzed food label to determine the amount of sugar content. Since food labels are not repayable, laboratory testing is recommended in future studies. Some labels are in native language of produced countries. Therefore, stronger enforcement of Consumer Protection Act 1901 is recommended. The Maldivian Consumer Protection Act mandates the food labels to be in English or native Sindhi language, so that the consumer will know the content of products they are consuming. These are the literatures we have referred. Thank you.